out this street rod here, Unique Specialty and Classics. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. 350 V8 tuned port injection underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Paint on it, Bahama Blue Metallic. I believe it's 91 GM paint code. Also has ghost flames, as you can see up here on the fenders. Kind of cool. This is an all-steel body too, by the way. Riding on Krager SS. Chrome wheels. Let's take a look at the front brightwork. That is an original grille. Chrome bumper, as you can see. Turn signals added. Those are new. Those are OEM headlights also, but they have been converted to halogen, so a lot brighter headlight. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase price of this vehicle. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726. Still pictures, undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Disc brakes up front, as well as a Mustang 2 front end. This does have a custom frame. We get around to the rear end. It is a 4 to 8 inch rear end that's been narrowed 5 inches. Set up with highway gears for cruising. Nice one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or hey, just take it out and put some miles on it. There's a few spots where there's some touch-up. See one like right here. So is the paint perfect on it? No. Does it still show well, have a nice shine? Turn some heads? Absolutely. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. There was a full-size spare. Looks like a Keystone Classic, possibly in the trunk, and you'll be able to see the trunk pics. There is also a prop rod you're going to see I use to keep the trunk open, just so you know. That stays here. Mine for taking pictures when I need it. Let's see, some of the other new things on this vehicle. Video gauges were put in when it was rebuilt. The odometer reads about 13,400, give or take. We'll look at that when we get on the inside. Now, as far as some things that are new, auxiliary radiator and transmission cooling fans. Those were just recently added. It does have vintage heat and electric wipers. Recent brake service was done. Fuel pump and filter sending unit and injectors new. As we take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. And again, all steel body. Let's check out this interior. So black interior, cloth. Looks like the seat's pretty much free of rips, tears, or holes. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and start this up. Let's hear it run. Electric fuel pump. I have had the radio working here also. You can hear that or see it. Radio does work. Heat controls right here. Down below if you can see them. There's the actual miles at 13,345. Water temp. That was a cold start. Oil pressure, fuel gauge, volts. All look like they're working. Flip around and actually hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Remember, TPI, so 2-port injected, 350 underneath there. Speaking of which, let me pause this a second. We're going to get the hood open. I'll get one of the sides, maybe both, and we'll check out that engine bay. Decided to do the passenger side here. You can see the most from it. As you can see, you got power brakes on the driver's side. So passenger side, you can see a little bit better here. Heater hoses. Getting that TPI. We have some custom Bahama blue paint on the engine to match the exterior. You'll be able to see close-ups of the tags and the still pictures. And those still pictures will be seen at Unique. ClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe Street Rod. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1938 Chevrolet Coupe in a brilliant blue paint job. The black interior. We have a radio that does work. It has a cassette player. I did not test the cassette player, but the radio is working well. Our turn signal indicators are both working. Nice acceleration in this car. Get a little shake in the steering wheel. That could be a tire. This is an automatic transmission right on the floor. Water temperature is showing 180. Our oil pressure is showing 60 psi. Fuel tank's almost full, and the volts are charging at 14. That's all looking good. We have a blower motor down here that does also work. Very nice looking car. Good exhaust rumble. Got some ghost flames. The first time I saw this car, I didn't even notice the ghost flames. They're very ghosted, and they look good. Bench seat covered in cloth in here. If I didn't already mention it, our turn signal indicators do both work. Brakes are working well. Corners really well. It doesn't lean very much in the corners, just a little. Check out all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.